name is Chris. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing Leetcode problem 1598 crawler log folder with JavaScript. It's considered an easy problem. It says the Leetcode file system keeps a log each time some user performs a change folder operation. The operations are described below. This moves to the parent folder of the current folder. If you're already in the main folder, remain in the same folder. This remains in the same folder. This is moved to the child folder named X. The folder is guaranteed to always exist. You are given a list of strings logs where logs at I is operation performed by the user at the I step. The file system starts in the main order, then the operations and logs are performed. Return the minimum number of operations needed to go back to the main folder after the change folder operations. Okay. So we always start in the main folder. Our first log is this, so we move to a folder called D1. Then we got this, so we move to folder D2. We go to this, so we move back a folder to D1. We got this, we move to a folder to D21. We get this, we stay in D21. So in order to get back to the main, you've got to go 1, 2. And that's our output is 2. All right, this is a pretty simple one. It's actually, honestly, like all this, it's one of those things where the story is almost makes it more complicated than what you're actually going to do. But all we need to do, oops, forgot to get rid of this, is, well, let's create our variable. Sorry about that. Let's create our function, just call it func. And we're going to create a variable that we're going to call result. I'm just going to set that to 0. And when we're done, we return result. Let's log this to the console. So we should see 0. Okay, so basically what we need to do, it's pretty simple. All you need to do is anytime we see this, well, let's start here. Anytime we see this, right, we add 1 to result. Anytime we see this, we don't do anything. Anytime we see this and result is not 0, we subtract 1. Right, because if result is 0, that means we're in the main folder. And like it says here, if you're already in the main folder, remain in that folder. So if we see this and result is not 0, we subtract 1. That's all you got to do. So I'm going to use the map method. Call our variable log, our arrow function. So now all we need to say is if log is equal to this and result is not 0, we decrement result by 1, and then else if log does not equal this, and log does not equal this, we increment log, or increment result, sorry. Now we should get 2. We do. All right, let's grab all our code, let's copy it, move back to Leetcode, paste it in, format our code, let's go ahead and submit it. There you go. All right, hopefully you found this video enjoyable and helpful. If you did, please give it a like. It helps my channel to grow. If you'd like to see more like these, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. I hope to see you again real soon.